guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? I know it has been a very long time. I've had a lot happen. I look like shit. We are going to ignore this. I literally just came in from Vegas yesterday and I'm recovering, let me tell you. So we are going to ignore the no makeup, the glasses. I took a shower and just wanted to like air dry my hair, so we're gonna ignore the look. But I had to get on camera because of course today the big boy came in. This is the Jeffree Star mystery box, so I wanted to jump on camera and open it with you guys. So let me shut up and let's move right along. All right, so like I said, this is the Jeffree Star mystery box. She is a big boy. There was 3 boxes. There was the premium, deluxe, and supreme. I got the deluxe, so the second box. This one was a lot of money. She was definitely a lot of money. I wanted to splurge though because I haven't been buying makeup, honestly. All I get is my Boxy Charms and that's about it. I don't even remember the last time I bought foundation, to be honest with you. So I was like, I'm a splurge. So this one was $140, but you know that good old Afterpay, Shop Pay or whatever it is, it splits up the payments in 4. No interest, no type of like crazy fees or anything like that. It just literally splits it up in 4, and I believe it's every 2 weeks you have to pay. So you know your girl did that. But here is the box. I'm just gonna pull things out and show you what's inside. Of course it has the black paper right here. Ooh, I feel some stuff in here. Let's see. Ooh, so this is the gloss. This is from the Cremated 6 Feet Under is the name. This is from the Cremated collection. Couldn't think of it. Ooh. So here is how she looks. She's like a dark charcoal glittery gloss. Super pretty. I don't wear glosses all that much, but she's really pretty. And then, ooh, here is the Supreme Gloss. So this has more like a pigment. Ooh, and wifey. This one's red. This one I would wear though, because I don't know if I'll necessarily wear that charcoal looking one, but I'll definitely, ooh, look at that. I'll definitely, oh, I'm dropping shit already. Definitely wear this gorgeous red. And like I said, it's like a pigmented gloss versus the other one that's more like just glossy. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. Do they have a scent? Ooh, oh, that smells so good. Here is that one. Next is this. Ooh, so this is a Velour Lip Scrub. This is in Witch's Brew. How cute. This is how she looks. That. Ooh, this is licorice. Ugh. I don't like licorice at all. I like Twizzlers. Not the same thing, but I don't like licorice. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. I already have like 2 of them anyways, but here is this one. I like the packaging though, it's super cute. Next I see is Velour Liquid Lipstick and ooh, Unicorn Blood. Another red. Perfect for fall time. So pretty. I love that color. Love me some reds. It's cute. And the formula for Velour Liquid Lipsticks is immaculate. Next is, ooh, I don't have one of these. This is the Velvet Trap and Dominatrix. Yeah, Dominatrix. I think this is the brown. I think it's like a brown color. Ooh, look at that. So cute. The bullet. Yep. Ooh. This I actually like. And I'll be honest with you, I grew to love browns. I didn't like browns in the beginning. I was more like a mauvey person. But now I'm such a big fan of brown. And this would look so pretty. Put some liner on, dabble this on. I'm not really much of a lipstick person just because I don't like the smearing and the fact that it like comes off easy. But I'm sure his formula is amazing. I've never actually tried one of his formulas. So I'll definitely be keeping this one though because I like that brown. And then this packaging is super cute. You like put it here and here. No, I think I put it the wrong way. But there is that. And then, ooh, so if you guys seen, he was saying that all the Weirdo palettes are going to be in all the boxes, which is the newest collection he just came out with. Ooh, I love that. That looks so cool. So it says Weirdo. I'm going to have to do a look with her. Ooh, look at that. That's what the cover looks like. Ooh, the little thing fell out. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. So it's all mattes and then it's one shimmer right in the middle. But you could do so many looks with this. Because you could do like the red and like the pinky with the silver, or you could do like a dark smoky eye, or you could do like the burgundy with the silver. Oh, you could do so many looks. This is so pretty. I'll definitely have to film a look. I'm excited. We got that. Ooh. Look at how cute this is. It looks like a little bat. A little clutch purse. Throw those out. See, it's a little clutch purse, but it looks like a little bat. Oh my god, I love this. It's so cute. I love it. And then, ooh, we got, we got a palette. Let's see which one it is. Oh my god, I don't have this one. So this is the Blooded Sugar palette, right? Blooded. Blood Sugar palette. I know a lot of people have this palette, but I don't because I was late to the game. Ooh. I think I have almost all his palettes. Oh my gosh. So pretty. His formula is A1, let me tell you. I haven't bought, when was the last? No, I bought the Morphe, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. But besides that, I haven't bought a palette in a really long time, because I'm so in love with his formulas. I have almost all his palettes because I always get them in the boxes. Look at that. Ooh, these are so pretty. I seriously love his formula. It's so amazing. It's so creamy. The formula stays on. It doesn't like wear off throughout the day. And that's what I try to wear an eye primer, eyeshadow primer, but I don't. Like I always forget. And it still stays on all day. And I'm oily. So pretty. Ooh, I'm going to have to do a look with this one too. So cute. And you already know the packaging. A+. Next is, ooh. No. Oh no, I got the red one. I was like, oh my god, I got 1 and 2. Oh, I'm so happy. I got the, of course, Jeffree Star Cosmetics Volume 2 Mini Lip Set. Ooh, I thought, at first I was thinking I had the Volume 1, and then I was like, oh my god, I got Volume 2. But I actually got the red set. I think it was like the Valentine's Day boxes or something like that. But I got the red ones, and then now I got the nudes. Ooh. Oh, I wanted Christmas Cookie for the longest. Ooh, and then I got Dominatrix in the liquid lip form. Family Jewels, Tasty, Top Shelf. These two are really pretty. What is this? I'm Nude and Birthday Suit. Those are really pretty, but I tried them on me and I did not like it. I'm not a fan of like too pink. I just feel like because I'm more, I mean, you can't tell right now because I do look a little pale. I mean, I should have got some tan. I was in Vegas, but you can't really tell. I feel like I'm more like on the yellowy side. So like the super pink or the super light pink like just doesn't look good on me, that I feel. So I'm more like the mauvies or like the browns. Like those are my favorite type of nudes. So these two I won't use. I'll probably give to someone. But all these other colors I will definitely use. Those are so gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy I got this because I was scared I was gonna get like, because I seen a spoiler and I was scared I was gonna get like the blue one or like a purple one, ones that I know damn well like I won't use, but I got the one that I would use, so I'm so happy. And then the last item is the clothing item. I got mine in an extra large because I like mine to fit a little loose, as you can tell by my giganto hoodie that I'm wearing. So it is a t-shirt. Ooh, let me show you guys back. So here it is. It is a little pretty big, but I like them loose, like I said. So it has that pretty purple, and then look at the back. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. She's cute. Perfect for Halloween. So cute. Love this. His t-shirts are amazing. I do have the other one. It was like the green, like the neon green. I forgot what I know obviously it's like the Jeffree Star symbol, but I forgot what the back looks like. But it has black and neon green. So super comfy. And that's it, I think. And then of course it does have in here the Jeffree Star skin. After years of formulation and testing, the skincare line you've always dreamed is almost here. So here is the little card. But that is it in the box. So once again, it was the shirt. It was the blood sugar palette. Put that in there. It was the volume 2 open here for nudes. It was the gloss in 6 Feet Under, Supreme gloss in Wifey, this cute, gorgeous little bat clutch bag. I love her. We got the lip scrub in Witch's Brew, Velvet Trap in Dominatrix, and Velour Liquid Lipstick in Unicorn Blood. Oh, and the Weirdo palette. Oh my god, can't forget that. And the Weirdo palette. That's it. Yep, that is everything that I got in the box. I am in love with everything in here. There is nothing in here that I really don't like. The only thing, like I said, I might not use this because I don't like licorice. And like I don't like the scent of it or like the taste or anything. Not that I'm gonna eat this, but it's just not my vibe. So this might be the only thing, and I'm sad because I love like how it's called Witch's Brew and like the whole packaging is cute. But that's the only thing that I won't use. Everything else I think I pretty much will use. I definitely got my money's worth. Definitely let me know down below if you received any of his boxes, whether it was the premium or the deluxe or even the Supreme. I want to know what's in that Supreme. I know they're supposed to get like a mirror or something like that, or yeah, I think it's like a mirror they said. So definitely comment down below if you got anything or if you wanted to get anything or you just want to say hi, hello, what's up. Definitely put that down below. But I appreciate you guys so very much. I think that's it pretty much. I just wanted to open my box on camera, show you guys what I got. I am so tired. Like I said, I just got back from my Vegas trip. I had a girls trip and it was so needed. It was so much fun, but I'm so tired and it's good to be home. So I am gonna cut it short today. I'm tired. I want to be a bum. I gotta work tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys so very much. I promise I will have more videos soon. Please be sure to definitely subscribe. It's somewhere down here. And also follow all my socials, Snapchat, Twitter, IG. It is Jams2535. Almost forgot it. It's been that long. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. You guys are the very best for always watching my videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!